All right, we got a leaking toilet here. I have no idea what type of toilet this is. There's no name on it. And it looks like the little flush hole is square. I don't know about that. Huh. I may just have to get a new toilet. But this isn't even, it's not even that loose. Huh. All right. So we're gonna have to, that's already off. Or is it? Maybe it's not. Okay, now it's off. All right. We're gonna have to figure this out. I may just have to get another toilet. What is this? Flush valve. Oh, it's one of these kooky toilets. I mean, at this point, you might as well just get a new friggin' toilet, dude. Flush valve. I don't even know what kind of toilet this is, dude. It looks like this has been happening before. I actually might make the call just to replace this toilet. It's leaking like a sieve back here, dude. Let me grab my tape measure. I'm gonna get a new toilet. Alright. So let's see here. Whoa. We're way off the back. It's like 15 inches. 15. Then we have, yeah, so this is likely just a 12-inch rough toilet. There's a ton of space back here. 3 inches. Yeah, that'd make that's a 12-inch rough. We got a shark, oh my gosh, dude. We got a shark bite right there. I didn't even notice that. Golly. What is this? Look at this T. That T's, it comes behind the toilet. What the heck is that, dude? And another shark bite? Dude, what? I don't know if I should do something about this. I'm gonna ask them if they use that. Hey, excuse me? Excuse me? Hello? Do you guys use this right here? Do you use this? No? So that shark bite and that shark bite thread thing, whatever the heck that was, they must have installed it themselves, because she said that used to be a cold water outlet for their washing machine that they had, one of those little portable ones. So I don't know, dude. I don't know. But yeah, I should probably talk to the owners about cutting all that out of there. Picked up a Western toilet, $176 with the seat included. I look at it like this. For me to try and find the parts for that toilet and go get them, it would have been the same price, time-wise, versus me just getting a toilet. You get what I'm saying? As a matter of fact, if I was to try to source the parts for that toilet, likely people aren't going to have them, but I'm going to spend more time, and it would have costed more for sure to try and fix that crusty toilet versus just getting a new one. And on top of that, you could see the silicone inside the tank. So it looks like this has been a recurring issue. So, you know, at some point you just got to say, okay, what's the smarter thing to do here? What's going to require less time and ultimately cost less? And on top of that, the tenant was complaining that there's a sewer smell in their bathroom. So, man, I bet you $20 I pull that toilet and the flange is going to be too low. So, certain situations, you just got to make the judgment call that it's smarter just to replace the dang toilet. You know what I mean? Majorly surprised that this flange looks to be in good condition. It's level with the floor. Not ideal, but we're good to go. I'm going to take these bolts off real quick and then set this toilet up. It's all good. Now I just need a new supply line. I'm gonna Lexel the bottom. I don't think I need a shim, and I got some right here. Got some shimmies. But I don't think this. Oh, take that back. It felt level. Felt level, but maybe not. In the front here, it could use a little shimming. I might just shim it right here in the front, just a touch. Yeah, it's just right here in the front. There you go. Had 3 left, and that's all I needed. Okay, I'll use a blade and cut these, and then I'll Lexel around it. Level's perfect. Nice. It's a nice flushing toilet. lastly, gotta put this down just for a sec. There you go. I would install one of these at my house. I'm not even kidding you. These are nice. Westerns, I see them everywhere in LA. All right.